Aloha. I'm Andy. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset on the Lenovo Tab M10 TB-X505F tablet. In this tutorial, the tablet does not have a Google account, PIN, password, or screen lock. If you need to bypass or remove the FRP Google account without using a PC, be sure to watch my next video. The tablet is already powered on, so let's get started. Open Settings and scroll down to System. Tap System. Next, tap Reset Options. Then tap Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This process will erase everything stored on the tablet's internal memory, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, all other personal data. If you don't need to back up any of your data, tap Erase All Data to continue. The tablet will restart and begin the factory reset process. Once it's finished, you will see the initial setup screen where you can select your language. Accept the license agreement, although, let's be honest, almost nobody reads it. On the next screen, you can connect to a Wi-Fi network or choose Setup Offline. Next, you'll see the Google Services screen. Tap More, then Accept. Here you can create a security PIN, but I will skip this step since I only use this tablet at home. I will also skip face recognition. I don't need a Lenovo ID either, so I will skip that as well. When prompted to join the Lenovo User Experience program, I will tap No. Next, choose your preferred navigation style. I will select 3-button navigation, then tap Finish. And that's how you perform a factory reset on the Lenovo Tab M10 TB-X505F tablet. To make the tablet fully functional again, connect it to the internet, sign in with your Google account, and install any available system updates. In my next video, I will show you how to bypass or remove the FRP Google account without using a PC on the Lenovo Tab M10 TB-X505F tablet. If this video was useful to you and do you want to reward me with a cup of coffee, you can do it by clicking on the link in the description, select one cup and click on the support button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.